Hey guys, this is Awesome Gaming, and I'm unboxing Skylanders Giants Spyro, and it's Series 2. Here's the back of the box. And let's do this thing. Outside. So here he is. Here's his card. And here are the stickers. So guys, this is the wonderful only dragon in Skylanders. So guys, this is the end of the video. If you guys want to see more, please hit that subscribe button and bye!